Difficult.
I'll get you a smaller pick.
Yeah.
Right, so on this side with your pointing finger.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you imagine?
Yeah. Get the gob open.
Run that along the jawline. Like that. Like that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Run it along. Try not to cut the tongue if you can.
Yeah.
Cut the dry navel and see if it's cut back. If it is, long cut it off.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Then I tend to pass it under this arm.
Yeah.
You will be passing it back under that one.
Yeah.
If you're left-handed. And then go about an inch off the thumb.
Yeah.
Trouble is, I'm not ambidextrous, but I'm trying to sort of show you.
Yeah.
And then come off of that. And then section just beyond your ear.
Yeah.
About that point. One shot of that.
Yeah.
Push the needle in. Another one. 1 mil variant.
Okay.
And then obviously
Spray them out.
the navel and spray the side.
Okay.